Did you know that nearly 1 in every 5 online purchases ends up being a scam? It's wild how many people fall for fake deals every day. I'm super excited to unbox this phone and see if it's legit. It's the highly anticipated X5 Pro from a relatively new player in the smartphone market, Aurora Tech. The box looks pretty standard, but I'm hoping the phone inside will blow my mind. I've heard mixed reviews about Aurora Tech, so I'm curious to see if they can deliver on their promises. Let's dive in and see what's inside. Aurora Tech is a Chinese company that's been making waves in the smartphone market with their affordable and feature-packed devices. They've been around for a few years, but this is their first flagship phone, so I'm eager to see how it stacks up. Their previous phones have been well received, but this one seems like a major step up. I'm hoping they can live up to the hype. The X5 Pro has a sleek design and a beautiful 6.7-inch AMOLED display. Under the hood, it's powered by a fast processor and 8 GB of RAM, which should make it a great performer. The camera system looks impressive too, with a quad camera setup featuring a 50MP primary sensor. I'm also excited about the battery life, which promises to last all day and then some. The phone's got some unique features like advanced AI capabilities and a long-lasting battery. I'm looking forward to putting it through its paces and seeing how it performs. With a price tag that's significantly lower than some of its competitors, I'm wondering if it's too good to be true. Let's take a closer look. Aurora Tech's reputation is still growing, and they've had some issues with software updates in the past. However, they're known for their innovative approach to smartphone design and their commitment to providing affordable devices. I'm hoping they've addressed some of the issues with this phone. The X5 Pro's camera system is one of its standout features. It's got a lot of potential for capturing great shots. I'm also excited about the phone's fast charging capabilities and its sleek design. However, I'm a bit concerned about the lack of water resistance and the limited availability of software updates. One of the things that caught my eye is the phone's AI-powered camera features. They're supposed to make it easy to take professional-looking photos, but I'm not sure how well they'll work in practice. I'm also a bit skeptical about the phone's battery life claims. We'll have to see how it holds up in real-world use. The phone's display is definitely one of its strong suits. It's got great color accuracy and brightness. However, I'm not a fan of the phone's software. It's a bit cluttered and could use some streamlining. I'm also a bit concerned about the phone's durability, but we'll have to see how it holds up over time. In terms of performance, the X5 Pro seems to be a solid mid-ranger. It handles everyday tasks with ease, but it might struggle with more demanding games and apps. I'm also a bit disappointed by the phone's lack of 5G support. It's a bit of a drawback for some users. Compared to other phones in its class, like the Samsung Galaxy S series or the Google Pixel 4, the X5 Pro seems to hold its own. It's got some unique features and a lower price tag, but it's also got some drawbacks. I'm not sure if it's the best option out there, but it's definitely worth considering. I've been using the X5 Pro for a few days now, and I've got to say, it's been a pleasant surprise. The battery life is actually pretty great, and the camera system has taken some amazing shots. However, I've also encountered some software issues and a few design quirks that could be improved. One thing that surprised me is how well the phone's AI features work. They're actually pretty useful. However, I'm still not convinced about the phone's long-term durability. I've also noticed that the phone's speakers could be a bit louder, but overall, I'm happy with the phone's performance. If you're in the market for a mid-range phone with some high-end features, the X5 Pro might be worth checking out. I'd recommend it for casual users who want a reliable phone without breaking the bank. However, power users might want to look elsewhere. Overall, I'd give the X5 Pro a solid 7 out of 10. It's a great effort from Aurora Tech, but it's not without its flaws. If you're willing to overlook some of its drawbacks, it's a great option. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the phone, so be sure to leave a comment below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other review of the Samsung Galaxy S22. It's a great comparison to the X5 Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.